Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to create or add subtitle or caption on video manually in Adobe Premiere Pro. Before starting work, is my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we edit our video and we are going to create subtitle or caption manually, and then you see transcript and then you see caption. So click on it. Now you see no caption available, but we are going to create manually. We are going to enter manually text. Now you see create new caption track. So click on it. Now you see new caption track, subtitle, stream, style, and then click on OK. And then you see plus icon, add new caption segment. So click on it. So you can add your text. So we are going to add hello, how are you? Now you see, and then you see, so this is a subtitle. Now select. Now you see time 2 seconds 28. Now you see, if you want, you can increase or decrease like this. Now you see 11 seconds. So you can increase or decrease seconds according to requirement. Now again reduce. Now you see 4 seconds. When our cursor or mouse on subtitle, you don't see plus icon visible. So when we move like this, check from it. Again you see plus icon visible. So click on add new caption segment. So you can add text. So we added text manually. Now you see this is Adobe Premiere Pro. So when we select this caption, subtitle or text, then you see format. So you can select text, regular. Now you see different. If you want, you can increase font size. Now you see alignment. Now you see center, zone position. Now you see appearance, fill color, stroke. If you want, you can enable. Then you can add stroke like this. Now you see. And then you see background. So you can set color scheme for this text according to requirement. So it's up to you. So this subtitle or text we added manually. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.